everybody. We're from 112 Elementary School, class number 502. My name is Lucas.
I'm Leon. I'm Aries. I'm Justin. I'm Red.
This is our adaptation of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. And it's called Lucas and the Bubble Milk Tea Factory. Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm the owner of the Lucas Milk Tea Factory, or I like to call it the L&M Factory. I'm going to put 3 golden tickets inside of the bubble milk tea cups. If you are lucky enough to find one, you can go to visit our factory and have a chance to win a grand prize.
My name is Justin. I just bought an milk tea. Guess what? I found it inside.
Congratulations, Justin! You have found the first golden ticket.
This is amazing. Select the tip how to.
There are only 2 more tickets left to be found.
Today is my birthday. I want some bubble milk tea to celebrate. Great idea. Let's go now and buy it. Here they are. Brown sugar pearls with a little ice. Wait, what's that shiny thing? It's a golden ticket.
Congratulations, Aries! You have found the second golden ticket. There's only 1 more left. Let's see who finds the last golden ticket.
Look, someone filled his cup on a row. Where will someone later last night? Wait, what is this? Oh my gosh, it's a golden ticket!
Congratulations, Leon! You have found the final golden ticket.
That shows us all that protect the earth. I didn't buy a tea, but I got a ticket.
It is my great pleasure to invite you to the L&M Factory. Today we have 3 lucky guests visiting my factory. Myself, Ray, and I will show around this wonderful factory.
Thank you for having us. I'm Justin, Eric, and Leon. Well, the first place we'd like to show you is our milk tea waterfall. Wow, amazing! What is the waterfall for? This waterfall will mix the black tea and milk together. It makes the milk tea taste extra creamy.
This is the main reason that our tea tastes different from all other tea stores. You can say this is our secret ingredient.
Can we drink the milk tea from the waterfall now? Of course, let's use these cups. It is so yummy! Of course, we only use the best quality product. We only use Taiwan Shan black tea. It smells so good!
You can smell the high quality. Okay, now comes the fun part.
We want you to try to make tea by yourself. Whoever makes the tea that tastes the same as our gets a grand prize.
You may start now.
Okay, the recipe says 2 cups of milk poured with flour. How do I pour with flour? I never made milk tea before. I'll never win this. Shake while baking 5 times. What kind of recipe is this? I can do it. My father worked here before. He told me exactly how much to put in. I don't even need the recipe. I heard that Lukas is going to give the winner of this competition the tea factory.
What? Time's up. Now I will taste the milk tea.
This is my tea.
This is perfect. It tastes just like a factory's tea.
This is my tea.
It's not bad, but a little too bitter.
This is my milk tea.
Not too sweet, not too sour, but I think this is easy. The winner is Justin!
Yeah, I win. The factory is mine. It is a plan.
You really are right about that. I heard there's a cheated among you. What are you guys talking about?
Security told me someone has a cheated.
Am I right, Justin?
What? Okay, I admit it. My dad was working here and he stole a golden ticket. He also taught me how to make a perfect bubble tea.
You cheater!
Sorry, I know it was wrong.
So I think we have to choose a new winner. This will be very hard.
I have a good idea. How about we both run the factory together? We spell everything. Great idea! can make this work.
Agree. Everyone welcome the new